can I fake sneeze? Okay, good one. How is that? Let's try it again. That was a terrible one. I think they're getting worse. They're getting worse because I'm thinking about it. Do we believe any of them? What about the one when you're mid-speech? So I walked up to an officer and then... I walked up to an officer and I found this bird sitting on his shoulder. And I said, hey, bird. Hey, bird. No, I don't know. I'm going to have to rewatch this tantalizing video of sneezes. Or, sorry. Fake sneezes.